What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Smart Waves. I'm your host, and today we're zooming out for a big picture look at gold on the monthly chart, breaking down the Elliott wave count that's driving this market. This video is your cornerstone, your ultimate guide for understanding where gold could be headed next. Whether you're trading short term, mid term, or eyeing the long term, this analysis will anchor all our future scenarios. So let's dive in, grab a notebook, smash that subscribe button if you're new here, and let's uncover the waves shaping gold's future. All right, let's start the analysis on the 3-month chart. As you can see, the data starts here in 8033, and it's about 187 years of data for us to analyze. But for the purpose of uh, simplification, I'm going to just consider this point as the starting point. The price action before that is kind of insignificant in comparison to the rest of the move. So we're going to get this point as the starting one. Now, the first leg here is a corrective structure labeled as A, B, C. As you can see, it's very clear to us. Why can I not count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Because this wave 4 right here kind of has its own personality. It's separated from the rest of the move. So to me, this first leg is a corrective worm followed by a correction. So this whole thing could be labeled as a W, and then there is the X. And in this X wave, we have a corrective structure again. Let's label this as let's say W, X, and Y. So this whole thing, the correction, is done after this leg, and subsequently we have started another uptrend and the next leg up. All right, so when we consider this leg right here, I can see that this also includes a corrective structure. So I'm going to be calling it a W, and this is the X for this W. So let's actually check the retracement levels. See how the retracement has worked here. So yeah, as we can see, the correction of this leg has been done around like 50% of the move upward. So I can easily call that a W. So there is our W, X, and we are doing the Y leg right now. Let me change the color. So yeah, we have matching colors with the first move upwards. Now, basically this is the way I see it in the 3-month time frame. And for further analysis, I need to change the time frame to monthly. Then we will start here and analyze the chart, see what's going on, and try to label this move. And yeah, we will continue that way. So this is the monthly time frame, and we're just going to count this last leg upwards. And let me just repeat it that this video, the purpose of this video is not to provide any scenarios for further moves, but the main objective is to establish a wave count which we can use in further and future videos where we actually provide scenarios for short term, mid term, or long term. So I just had to clarify that again. Now, moving on with this leg, the previous one, as I mentioned in the previous part of the video was a corrective structure, and now here we have another corrective structure. Some people might actually like to count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that doesn't sit well with me because these subwaves, especially wave 3 right here, the so-called wave 3, does not show an impulsive move, so I cannot label it as such. That's why I'm sticking to my complex way of counting for this leg, which is a W, X, Y, X, Z. That's the way that I'd like to see this. Let me just change the, yeah, from primary to intermediate. That should be called, yes. So, basically, this is what we're having. And when it's finished, it's just going to be a leg W, a leg Y in our 3-month count. So after this, there is the possibility of a correction and higher high. So, but this is not the subject of this video. We're just going to solidify this count right here. So in terms of the targets for this leg, we can say, yeah, we can use this wave W, and as you can see, the targets are way past the criteria for this way of picking the targets. So I'm just going to have to go do this. Now, in this way, I'm just using the summation of W and Y as the reference to get a projection for the targets of leg Z. Now, basically, this is what we're looking at right here. And when it's over, as I said, we're going to be looking at a wave X as the correction. Now, when can it be over, and what would the criteria be for deciding whether it has happened or not will be the subject of our future videos when we focus on weekly, daily, and hourly time frames. All right, that's it for our deep dive into gold's big picture Elliott wave count. This monthly chart breakdown is your key reference for all our future videos, where we'll explore short-term, mid-term, and long-term moves. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comment section. I'm all ears. Make sure to subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next video.